just slightly positive, so we're just slightly inclined to go ahead here with the small plant in this case. And if we made this even smaller, down to 10, which is the first value occurring in our data table, we'll see that both of these construction alternatives are negative, and therefore the optimal decision is to go with the no plant option. Notice that we use the nested if structure here, as we've discussed before, to compare the value of the max value obtained with each one of the first two here to see if either of these two have the max value or not. And if not, then that means the third one must be the max, which is what's happening in this case. So now we're just going to repeat this analysis 3 times for each one of the test market outcomes, just the same way that we did before, except now we're going to be using certain equivalent value formulas to do the evaluation, which is not hard to do using the same functions that we've used before. And notice how once again we use the strong probs for the strong result. We use the moderate probs for the moderate test result, and we use the weak probs for the third one. Okay, and of course it's the same all the way across, the same set of probabilities in each case to get our results. So then we compute our maximum value. Again, we have a replication of the probabilities and a computation of the optimal choice, which is no plant in each case here. Of course, at this small risk tolerance, it's not worthwhile to